Sometimes you are trying to do something on your PC or on your laptop. That is when you are trying to do something using your Photoshop application or Photoshop software. You'll find out that they will give you an error that says that program error, scratch disk full. Now, when you get this error, don't panic. Don't bother yourself trying to contact an IT expert, trying to find solutions everywhere. This video is for you, and we are going to solve that problem with two methods, with just two methods. Now, one being a shortcut, and then the other, we follow a process in Photoshop software in order for us to be able to solve that problem. So now, without wasting my time, let's get started. So the first method, you can hold your Windows key on your keyboard plus R to open the run dialog box. You type in the temp, then you hit enter. Now it opens a folder for you, a folder called the temp folder. The temporal files and folders are stored there when you are using a software, an application, or it even stores your events, logs, and everything. So when it opens the temp folder, you are good to go. You find out that there are a whole lot of folders and then files in your temp file. In my case, as you can see, because I've deleted some, that's why you are seeing just four. Now, you just press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, then you hold Shift, then you add delete to it. It tells you that delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these four items? Then you just click on yes or press enter. Now it says this, there is a file you use. So that means that there is an application that is using this particular log file. So I can't delete it. I can just say skip. So it's going to delete, as you can see, it has deleted other folders and then files from the temp folder. So you are good to go. Now there is another one you have to do the same, using the same process. You can press your Windows key on your keyboard plus R. Then this time around you type the percentage sign, you type temp, then you end it with the percentage sign. When you hit enter, it also opens another temporal folder for you. Okay, this one too would be contain bunch and a whole lot of files and then folders. You can use the same method we used in the first one. Control plus A to select everything. Shift plus delete to delete everything permanently. Then you hit enter or you click on yes. So it's deleting other ones and it's saying that there's another one that is working which can not be deleted because it's in use. So we just skip that one. So as you can see, it's deleting every temp file or folder in the temp folder when we used the second method. Yeah, easy peasy, right? Alright. So now let's get to the second method. The second method is the method whereby we use Photoshop itself. So I'll go ahead and then open Photoshop. Open my Photoshop software. So now, whilst my Photoshop is opened, I can go to the menu bar at the top here and then click on edit in the menu bar here. Click on menu, click on edit, sorry. Then I'll look for the place where it says preferences. Now in preferences, as you can see, it says that you can press Ctrl plus K, which is the shortcut, to open the general preferences. Now when we look at the preferences here, we can see that we are having scratch disk over here. Now I'll just click on scratch disk. Okay, so it opens up this. Is it menu? Yeah, it opens up this menu for me. And then as you can see, it's saying scratch disk. So scratch disk. Now you can see that there are two drives over here because I have one connected external disk, and then I have my internal hard disk as well, or my internal or local disk as well. Now when just one disk, normally the default one is the internal or your local disk. So if that one gives an error, it means that this time around you'll be needing an external disk in order for it to support your internal disk, so that your scratch disk error, or you won't have that error again. So now, as you can see, it's having two disks active here. You just go ahead and then select this one you tick or you click on this one to check it. It means that you've added it to the scratch disk. When multiple or many other external disks like pen drives and others are connected to your PC, you can check all of them so that you add all of them to your scratch disk. Now when you do this method, you can just click on OK. When you click on OK, your problem is being solved. Your problem is being solved. There is no need for you to get in contact with an IT specialist or an IT guru for them to take your money or charge you. Follow these simple steps and your Photoshop will be free from scratch disk errors. Now, if you find or you found this video very interesting and educative and a whole lot of help to you, do well to subscribe, like this video and share. And then you can click on the notification bell in order for you to get notified anytime we post a new video. Or you can give us a comment on how you feel and what you think we need to do in order to spice our content. Thank you very much.